Welcome to the video on the fundamental unit of life. We will be covering diffusion, the factors affecting diffusion, osmosis, the factors affecting osmosis, and the types of osmosis. Diffusion is a process of passive transport, where molecules move from an area of higher concentration to one of lower concentration. This movement continues until the concentration is equal across the space. One factor affecting diffusion is the concentration gradient. A greater difference in concentration leads to more rapid diffusion. The mass of the molecules also affects diffusion. Heavier molecules move more slowly and thus diffuse more slowly. Lighter molecules do the reverse. Temperature is another factor. Higher temperatures increase the energy and movement of molecules, which increases the rate of diffusion. Solvent density influences diffusion as well. As the density of a solvent increases, the rate of diffusion decreases. Conversely, diffusion increases if the medium is less dense. Finally, solubility affects diffusion. Non-polar or lipid-soluble materials pass through plasma membranes more easily than polar materials, resulting in a faster diffusion rate. Osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane, following the concentration gradient of water. It is a type of passive transport aimed at equalizing the solute concentration across the membrane. The rate of osmosis increases with the increase in the temperature of the system. For example, a higher rate of transpiration in plants during summer is due to temperature. The concentration gradient is essential as a driving force in osmosis. Any change in the concentration directly affects the rate of osmosis. The surface area and thickness of the membrane also matter. An increase in surface area provides more space for molecule movement, increasing the rate of osmosis. Osmosis can be categorized into forward osmosis and reverse osmosis based on the concentration gradient. Forward osmosis separates solute and solvent using a higher concentration solution to extract solvent molecules. Reverse osmosis uses force to separate a solvent through a semi-permeable membrane based on the movement of water. Osmosis can be classified as endosmosis or exosmosis. Endosmosis is the movement of water into the cell, causing the cell to swell. This occurs when a cell is in a solution with a higher concentration of water than the cell. Exosmosis is the movement of water out of the cell, which causes the cell to shrink. This happens when the surrounding solution has a higher solute concentration than the cell. In the next module, we will learn about types of solution based on osmotic potential, osmosis in nature, and types of transport in the nutrition process, including endocytosis and exocytosis.